In this review, I will dive into Zendesk features, the pricing, the pros and cons to help you decide if it is the right solution for your company. So to get started with this, what is Zendesk? Zendesk is like a superpower tool for customer service. It's customer service softwares that help business talk to their customers in a lot of different ways with emails, phone calls, social media, live chat, just name it. And also, it at its core, Zendesk is a ticket system. Every customer questions or issues get its own ticket, keeping things organized. Zendesk support has a ton of tools to make everyone's life easier. It's all about making sure customers and support teams have a smooth experience. So talking about the key benefit or top benefit of Zendesk, they offer a streamlined support which helps to bring your customer conversation into one place, making it easy for your support teams to stay organized and efficient. And also they have this empowered agents with with Zendesk intuitive interface and automation features help your support agents work smarter, not harder. They can focus on solving a complex issue instead of getting a bogged down in a repetitive task. And talking about the best features of this index, you have this organization which helps you with a wish group customer together, and also a reporting which help the Zendesk report tools let you see how your team is performing, spot trends in customer issues. And also they offer this wide range of feature which is a research customers. And that's it. So talking about the pricing plan, they have a wide range of pricing plans, starting from the suit teams to suit growth to suit professional and a suit enterprise. If you want more information about their pricing plan, you have to refer to the website to get the most information out of it. And talking about the pros and cons. So we're talking about the pros. They have this intuitive interface and channel support with a robust feature set and is scalable, customizable, and a large community marketplace. So talking about the downside with the disadvantages, the complex setup and the learning curve for the agent can be so tiring. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.